Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, open camera, then tap more, go to the watermark mode. So here you can, for example, select different watermarks, and some of them you can customize. For example, you can write your own message here, like HardReset.Info, of course. And yeah, that's how you can create your own custom watermark here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.